Most struggling traders just don't know how to react to the market. Many people have no idea about what I like to call money reaction. And what that is when you wait for prices to show you what to do, no longer are you guessing. No longer are you relying on bad comment trading knowledge. No longer are you relying on lagging indicators, okay? You are making your trade decision based on what the market is telling you to do. And when you do that, you can get a money reaction that creates profits, all right? That creates wins. That creates, dare I say, consistent wins. So if you've been struggling, it's probably because you probably still got 5 to 10 indicators on your chart, right? And you're like, all right, when this one is at 50 and this one is at 40 and prices is above this line and all this is taking place under the 200 EMA, I'm gonna go long. No, I'm gonna go short. No, I don't remember what I'm supposed to do when all that happens because it's too much. All right, it's too much, and it's why people are struggling. But I have the answer. In this video, we're going to show you how to take advantage of the money reaction, like the people who have been downloading my free guide, Finally Funded, who are trying to pass prop firm challenges, all right, and have been seeing success since they've done it. So, hey, look, if you need to pass a prop firm challenge, just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded because I want you to be like Neo, one of our community members who is racking these accounts up. He's just passed another 25K account, all right? I know he's passed some in the past, so hey, he's building up, racking up, and I want you to do the same. So again, just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. But if you've been struggling, it could very well be because you don't understand how to wait and react to the market so that you can take advantage of what the market is telling you to do, take advantage of the money reaction to increase your gains. But in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Let's go deeper. So hey guys, I'm not going to do a lot of chart lesson in this one because I've been showing you this, right? Key entry point is key, all right? So in this video right here, I go over the importance of the key entry point. So if you haven't watched this one, you may want to watch this one to be able to understand what I'm saying. But if you can ever get to the point where you just relax, you know what? If you ever get to the point where you understand that I ain't got this behind me for no reason, trading truly is 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% waiting. I mean, I got this in the back for a reason. It's one of the truest statements in trading, all right? So when I find a key entry point and I find it at 6 p.m., all right, and then I wait all the way till 10 p.m. When I say 6 p.m., I mean 6 p.m. like Thursday night, and then I wait all the way till 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Friday to actually take a trade, right? That's waiting. That's what you call waiting, all right? That's what you call waiting. That's what most people don't do. Most people aren't waiting that long. Again, most people are using indicators. Most people are going off of small movements in the market. That's why you get caught in all that chop. Most people don't realize you have to trade from the extremes. Well, you don't have to. Actually, let me tell you, you don't have to trade from the extremes. If you do, it'd be a lot easier. You'll be a lot more successful. You'll be a lot more happier. It'll be a lot more peaceful. All you have to do is wait, right? So waiting is key. Waiting is key. And again, if you ain't watched this video right here, and for those of you who know me, have followed my channel, have subscribed for me for years, you know I don't shoot you to too many other videos like this. This is like my 3rd time shooting you to this video. I'm trying to help you out. This video is one of my classics. This video goes down in history right here. I probably gave away too much in this video. I'm trying to tell you, if you need help, you want to look at that one, okay? Pay attention to the key entry point. If you can find a key entry point, like for instance, in our range phase setup, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make this another range phase summer to really help people get over the edge and show you that, hey, you don't need a lot of setups. If you just can trade the range, you can be profitable, right? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that this year. Just range phase summer. And we're gonna make a lot of money. But listen, if you just know that the top is a key entry point, the bottom is a key entry point, all you have to do is wait for prices to get there. And then let's see what prices do. right? Once prices get to if you draw a horizontal line on your price chart, for whatever reason, once prices get there, prices can only do two things. Either it's gonna go through the line and keep going, or it's gonna find supply and go the other way. It's only two things are gonna happen. So for you as a trader, instead of trying to guess, instead of trying to be a prophet, instead of trying to use lagging indicators, right? How about just identify a key entry point, wait patiently for prices to make it there, and when it does, wait some more to see what the market tells you to do, all right? Because the market is going to tell you what to do. All you have to do is be patient enough to wait, all right? The market is going to tell you, when you get to your key entry point, the market is going to tell you, all right, we got here, it shot out, it's probably going to be a breakout pullback. Or if it get there and it was trucking, did it hit your line and then just drop? I mean, that's crazy, right? I mean, how does that happen? But listen, when you're patient and you wait for your key entry point, right, you can win trades like I won this one as soon as the market opened at like 6 p.m. All right. And then I won this one basically that same day, not the same day. You know, I started it overnight. We came into the morning. Then when the morning session opened up intraday, I won this one same day, just waiting for trades off the key entry point. And then I finished it up, finished the day off, you know what I'm saying, with this one. Now, listen, all three trades was key entry points. All three trades I waited till we got there, waited to see what was going to happen, and then entered the trade. When you understand key entry points, right, then you can take advantage of the market. All right. So I just wanted to give a quick lecture today. And the lecture is find key entry points, find a strategy that highlights entering in at certain levels. Find a strategy that tells you how to find key entry points, key levels to enter, key levels in the market. Learn how to find supply, learn how to find demand, then take advantage of it by waiting to see what the market is going to do. All right. So I have a nice trade example for you. So that last trade that I just flashed up there, we're actually going to see this one happen live. All right. So you can see that if you can be patient enough, identify a key entry point, wait for prices to get there, and then just react to what the market tells you to do, you can begin to have money reaction trades. And guess what? Money reaction trades pay very well. When you learn to react to the market instead of guess, instead of forecast, instead of set a buy limit and you don't know what's going to happen, if you just wait, let the market show you what it wants to do, then take that money reaction, you will change. Your whole trading journey can change overnight. All right. Now, again, if you need help passing that prop firm challenge, like Neo, I'm telling you, you can rack it up. You can change everything just by waiting for the key entry point. You can pass a prop firm challenge in a week just by taking nothing but key entry point trades. And if you need help with your risk management and some other tips that you may not be aware of that's keeping you from getting over that finish line, comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. All right. Now let's get into this chart lesson and I'll come back. So here we are, we're in a clear range. And so I'm gonna wait to see if we get to the top, I'm gonna look for a short. We get to the bottom, I'm gonna look for a long. If we break out, I'll look for a trend continuation. It's only two things that can happen once we get to these levels. So I'm just gonna wait till prices get to my key entry point, and then I'll react to whatever the market tells me I should do. All right, so we're getting close. We were real close right here. We were only maybe 3 points away. I say we're probably 6 points away. We'll see if we make it. This is where patience comes in. You know, you want to go now. We haven't made it to the key entry point. Don't do anything until you get to your key entry point. All right, folks. Trying to get to the moment of truth. Let's see. 74, we need to get to 77, 3 points. We were 3 points away. So we'll see, we're real close. We'll come back when we make it. All right, 2 points away. All right, we are almost there to the moment of truth. By the way, so you know we've had a humongous trend up, trend break, and 2 legs up to a new high on the day, just so you know. Man, missed that touch by a point. And look at the rejection coming out. I really wanted a touch, so although I do want to go right now, I'm gonna wait for a high, lower high setup just to be safe. Here we are. Made it. Moment of truth. Bam. So what's gonna happen here?
Order submitted.
All right, this is looking like a breakout. Are we gonna break back in? It's the question. I want to see us break back in this range. Strong. See if we don't. All right. Wait and see. We have to factor in the breakout pullback now. We broke our level. We got out. Clear breakout too. Pull back. Hey. Have to be considered. But this is where patience comes in, because whatever happens, we're going to be at the beginning of it. So I don't have to rush. I can just wait and react. See the difference? I don't have to guess. I don't have to anticipate right now. I don't have to try to be a prophet about it, right? It doesn't have to be mystical. We're either going to bounce right here or we're going to take off. I mean, that's it. It's only those 2 things that's going to happen from here. So all I have to do is wait and react so I can get that money reaction. I want that money reaction to be at least $1,000. So back to the trade. Looks like we about to get a range fade. So now we back in the range. So I want to see a high, lower high, boom. I actually want this one to push up. Just give me just a little green, not a lot of green, because if it pushes up green but can't take off, then we're about to go lower. If this takes off and breaks higher than here, then we're going long. And I'm just going to react to whatever the market does here. Could not go higher. The next candle, if it pushed down, would be a high, push down, lower high. The lower high is still in place. Some may see this as a breakout pullback entry. I'm not sold. I'm not sold. If we get this high, lower high right here, back in this range, then that's where I'll take the shot. And if I'm wrong, hey, I'll go the other way. I mean, it's only can do 2 things from this level. So if I take a loss here, it's not the end of the world. Just reverse and go with trend. Hopefully it gives us a clear indication of what's it doing though. Now, I tell you what, this candle is struggling. It's struggling to make it back in. I'm not going to fight against trend. Hey, if we do not come back in, and you know what's great is that the EMA is getting close. A great entry would be something that breaks so hard we get under the EMA. That would be completely awesome. But my lower high is still in place, even though this candle didn't trigger it. I'm looking for my trigger now. The setup is here. The setup is sitting right here, high, lower high. I'm looking for a trigger like that. We got a high, lower high with a strong signal candle. Put my stop above, and we see what happens if this thing kicks us in here. Very interesting. If we push past it, oh, it tried, but met more. Hey, met more resistance. All right, look at the stem. Stem, big red candle, stem, big drop. I mean, I think there's some sell pressure there, but we're staying in this area a little too long for my liking. So the buyers could be absorbing all the sell orders up here. Again, we don't have to get in at the very first move. We want to wait and then just react to the market. There it is. All right, y'all. Couldn't do it.
Order canceled.
The lower high failed. Let's go long.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, here we go. This is a breakout pullback after trying to go lower several times and couldn't. We're just going to react to the market here. All right, so that's my $1,000 win. $1,000 win is in the bag. Let's see what else this market gonna give me. And that's money reaction trading. You know, wait till you get to your key entry point. Wait to see what the market tells you to do, then react. And when you do that, you make money. That's the money reaction. All right, keep pushing. Now, if you need help passing a prop firm challenge, listen, our free guide, Finally Funded, has plenty of tips, all right, that can probably help you get over the edge. So if you've been struggling, all right, and you can see how these $1,000 days that I get here can help you pass that challenge in 2 to 3 days, comment below, give me the guide, and I will send you Finally Funded. All right, so that's it. Great trade, great money reaction after reaching our key entry point. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you see, if you can just wait, you can take advantage of the market after the market shows you what to do. I don't have to guess, right? I do not have to guess. All I have to do is execute. I have to react. I have to execute. After I know what the market is going to do, all I have to do is wait, react, execute. If you want to learn how to trade like that too, comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. It has plenty of tips, all right, to help you change your trading mindset and strategy to finally begin to increase on the sudden. All right, so until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.